These will provide examples of how to increase resilience of vulnerable rural communities in varying landscapes of India to climatic changes. Living with a changing climate is a challenge for all of us, particularly the rural poor. While people are adjusting to changes to the best of their abilities, piloting specific adaptation solutions is one of the first steps towards supporting the rural population in managing natural resources, securing their livelihoods, and perhaps even identifying emerging opportunities in a changing climate.